Hello students, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Now question number 4 says, write each of the following as decimal. Now here numbers are given in expanded form. Here whole number is given and here fractional number is given. So we will have to write this number as decimal. Now 20 plus 9 is 29 plus 4 is at 10th place, right? So since here is 1 0 in the denominator, so if you convert it as decimal, how can we write it as decimal? It's 0.4. After point will be one digit as there is 1 0 in the denominator. Then we have plus. Again here we have two zeros in the denominator. So to convert it into decimal, we will have to put decimal, and after decimal we will have to put two places. Now here only one digit we have, which is 1. So we will have to make two places by putting 0. So it's 0.01. Now we will add this all to get the decimal number. So 29 can be written as 29.00. Then 0.4, always put the decimal below the decimal. Okay, so here we can add 0 to make it like decimal. Now 0.01, so 0.01. Now we'll add this all. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9, and then 2. So it will be 29.41. Okay. Now coming to the P part. Now in the P part we have 137 plus 5 upon 100. Now 137 will remain 7. And here if you want to convert this as decimal, as there is 2 0, so to convert it into decimal we will have to keep two places after decimal. So here we have only one digit, so we will have to put 1 0 to make two places. So it's 0 5, as there is 2 0 in the denominator, so we will have to make two places after decimal. So it will be 0.05. Now how to add this? This is whole number. So 137 point, here we have two places, so we will have to put two zeros and then 0.05. Now we'll add this. 5 plus 0 5, 0 plus 0 0, then we have point. 7 plus 0 7, then 3 and 1 will come down, so it will become 137.05. Okay, now coming to C part. Now here we have 7 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Now 7 by 10, here we have 1 0. So to convert it into decimal we'll keep one digit after the decimal. So here we have the decimal, and after decimal only one digit, as there is 1 0. Plus here we have 2 0. So 1 2. Okay, so it will be 0.06. Plus here we have 3 0. So 1 2 3. So here will be a point, so it will be 0.004. Now we will add this all. We will have to make it like decimal at first. Like decimal means here highest number of places after decimal is 3. So we will make 3 places after the decimal. So here we have already 0.7. So we'll put 2 more 0 to make it like. Okay. After that we have 0.06. So here we will put 1 more 0 to make it like, as we have 3 places after decimal. So we will have to make 3 places after that. Okay, by putting 0. Now lastly we have 0.004. So to add or subtract we will have to make the number in we will have to make it like decimal. Okay, by putting 0, and then we will add or subtract. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. So it's 0.764. Okay. Now coming to D part. Now in the D part we have 23 plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. So 23 will remain as it is. Now 2 by 10, here we have 1 0, so after one digit we will have to put the decimal, so it will be 0.2. Next we have 3 zeros, so 1 2 3, we'll have to put the 0 to make 3 places, then we will have to put the decimal, so it's 0.006. Now we will add this. Now this is whole number and these all are decimal number. Now how to write the whole number in decimal form? Here we have maximum 3 digits after decimal, so after 23 we'll put 3 more zeros. Okay, now here we have after 0.1 digit, in the next decimal number we have only 1 digit after decimal. Below point will be the point, so here we have 2 only after decimal, so we'll put 2 more zeros to make it like decimal. Okay, now lastly we have 0.006. Now we'll add this. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3, and 2 will come down. So it will become 23.206. Now in the last part we have 700 plus 20 plus 5 plus 9 by 100. So if you add this all, 700 plus 20 plus 5 is 725 plus 9 by 100. So if you want to convert it into decimal, see here we have 2 zeros, so after 2 digit we will have to put the decimal, so it's 1 2, so it will become 0.09. Now 725 can be written as 725.00, as we have 2 places after decimal. Now 0.09. Now we will add this. 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 and 7 will come down, so it will become 725.09. Okay, now coming to question number 5. Now question number 5 says, write each of the following decimal in words. Words means you will have to write this decimal number in language form. Okay, now suppose we have this number. Okay, now how to read this decimal number? Now always remember, before decimal, that means this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, right? So how to read this number? It's 204. This we have done before in junior classes, right? Or if we have 1 here, so how to read it? Read this number is 1204, right? But after decimal, that means this side we don't say 32, we say 32. We will have to read the digit separately. So how to read this decimal number? 204.32. Okay, let's take another example. Say okay, now as I said, before decimal means this side we will read the number as you used to do in junior classes, which is 135, as 1 is at 100 place, 3 is at 10s place, and 5 is at 1s place, so it will read as 135. But after decimal we will read the digit separately, like 06. Okay, so here the number, this decimal number will read as 135.06. Okay, now let's start. Now here, how to read this number? It's 0. This 0 is at 1's place, so it's 0.03. So we'll write 0.03. Okay, now next. Here 1 is at 1's place. We know that before decimal is 1's place, right? So 1 is at 1's place, so it's 1.20. 1.20. Now coming to C part. Now before decimal, that means here this is at ones place, tens place and hundred place. So this number will become 108. Now after decimal we will read the digits separately. 108 point 108 point, how to read this number? It's 5 6. So 108.56. Okay. Now coming to deep part. In the deep part we have this number. So how to read this number is 10. So we'll write 10 point. This is 0 and this is 7. So we'll write 10.07. Okay. Now next we have before decimal 0 is there. So we'll write 0 point. Now these all the digits are after the decimal. So we'll read this digit separately. So 0.032. Okay. Now in the last part we have 5 is at ones place because before decimal is ones place. So it's 5.008. Okay.